Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope everybody's having a great morning, afternoon, evening, night, whatever part of the world you're in. So we have 3 new polishes from the HEMA-FREE line from Born Pretty, and we have 2 liners. And of course, all Born Pretty products are 11-free, toxin-free, safe for skin, and cruelty-free. So let's open these up and see what we've got. And of course, I'm going to struggle with the boxes as always. Just that's my thing. Packaging of any type just seems to elude me every time. So the first HEMA-FREE is Glitter Jelly number 1. And then we have the second one, which is Ice Jelly number 2. Yeah, I'm excited for that one. And then we struggle some more with the box, and we come up with Ice Jelly number 10. Also, very excited for this. Now, the liners are LP10, which is kind of a coppery bronze color, and then the LP04, which is a yellow gold. So also very excited for these because I have never had a liner gel from Born Pretty. I have actually no liner gels except for just a very few reflective ones. So I'm not going to really waste your time today doing the show you first and then do the swatching. I am just going to open them up and swatch them on the spot. So here's all the ingredients in the HEMA-FREEs. And then we have all the ingredients in the liner gels. And the HEMA-FREEs are 10 milliliter and the liner gels are 10 milliliter. So they are a really, really nice size. Okay, so I have base coat on all of my swatch sticks already, so you don't have to sit through that and watch that, because we all know the base coat. And first we're going to do the Glitter Jelly 01, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's got like a not outright glitters, but it's more of a shimmery glitter. It is very, very subtle on the first coat, but I'm going to show you what it looks like with 1 coat and 2 coats. And if you can see in the bottle, it kind of, it's very subtle, but you can build it up and it is absolutely gorgeous. And Ice Jelly number 2. Now, I wasn't sure what kind of green this was going to be. I was kind of thinking it was going to be a yellowish, but it turns out it's more of an olive green, which I really like because I don't have any olive greens, and you don't find a lot of nice olive greens, especially in jellies. And of course, 1 coat is very sheer, and so they are very, very buildable. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you watch, and I will pop back in for the liner gels. So now we're going to check out liner gel LP10. Yeah, I don't know if it's normal or not. I've never had a liner gel like this. It is very thick. I was actually very surprised at how thick it was. It made getting, if you're doing a large space, it was a little more difficult to get it thin. But if you're doing just a line or something like that, it went on relatively thinly. But I don't know if you can see it on the swatch stick when I turn it, but there is a little tiny bit of bulk to it. And that may be just because these are metal liner gels and not just a regular colored liner gel. And I will say that my reflective liner gels are the same way. So maybe it's just the fact that these are not just colored liner gels, they are actually like a metal kind of liner gel. And if you happen to know the reason for this, let me know, because I am very interested in finding out if that's normal or not normal, because both sets of liner gels I have are like this, not just the one from Born Pretty, but the one I have from another company as well, that are reflective. But needless to say, they are both gorgeous. Now this is the LP04, which is like a yellow gold, and y'all, this is so pretty. I wasn't sure about getting this one, but what it was going to look like, but I am super happy because the picture actually makes it look really yellow, and it is not really yellow. It's just a gold. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you watch, and I hope you enjoy. And I will be back in another video with a nail design. Here is all of the colors with one coat, and then I'll do another coat on each one so that you can see what they look like with two coats. Because with those jellies, there's actually a very big difference between what a one coat looks like and what two coats looks like. I was actually surprised at how big of a difference there was. But anyway, I hope you enjoy. And let me know what you think of these colors.